Hello everyone. On my programming FOB video, someone asked how to replace the battery on the remote. And my apologies to that person. I completely missed that question and I was slow on the trigger to respond. So since I have to change the battery on my FOB, I decided to film it and post it so that people can see how it's done. So you need three things: a small Phillips screwdriver, a 2032 battery, at least for me, and your FOB. So the first step is to pull the locking mechanism gear over and pull out your key, pull it out to the side. Next, for me, this is the easiest way to pull off the cover. I put it face down, and then I hold this and pull the trigger over with my thumb. Using my thumb as leverage on the bottom here and my fingernail here, it slides right off. That has been the easiest way for me to remove these things. Next, remove the screws on all four corners. And if you noticed on my FOB, it actually tells me the kind of battery I need on the cover. So for many of you who might not know what battery to use, you don't have to take off the whole thing. I'm assuming all these remotes have that on the cover. So if you look at mine, on the cover it says 2032 right there. Anyway, moving on. There's a little groove here. You can use a small screwdriver, your fingernail, a coin, a paper clip, just anything to pry this cover off. You can see the battery, 2032. A little pound, should come right off. Then we just get the new battery out of the package and we reinsert it into the slot. And at this point, all we're doing is reassembling the mechanism or the other control just in reverse of what we opened it up in. So reinsert all the screws, and then we'll continue to slide the cover back in place. Now this screwdriver is not magnetic, it's just static electricity made it magnetic, which is really helpful right now. Or maybe not. There we go. Next we slide the cover. Simply just start at the top, slide it down, and then you'll have to pull the locking mechanism over to allow it to go all the way in. Reinsert your key, and you're back in business. Hopefully this was helpful.